Welcome back, furniture enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the realm of interior design, exploring the top 5 living room furniture pieces that are reshaping spaces in 2024. From sleek modern designs to timeless classics, we've curated a list that promises to elevate your living room ambience to new heights. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The BELLEZE Mid-Century Swivel Chair. This red upholstered linen accent armchair is a stunner. Number 4. The CHITA Genuine Leather Reclining Swivel Chair with Adjustable Headrest and Ottoman. Number 3. The Nouhaus Heated Classic Massage Chair. Get ready to kiss tension goodbye and embrace the ultimate in-home spa experience. Number 2. The Irene House 9198L Tall Man Power Lift Chair. Designed with your needs in mind, this chair brings luxury and functionality together for an unparalleled seating experience. Number 1. The Dolonm Power Recliner Chair. Get ready to experience luxury living right in your own home.